Hello and welcome back to SotonLock. What I've got for you today is this Corbin 5-pin padlock. Fortunately we haven't got the keys, but as you can see it is locked. So I've no idea of the model number of this Corbin. The only thing that I can spot on this Corbin is, let me see if I can zoom in on it. If not, I'll take a high resolution picture so you can see. Is down here is a stamp of what looks to be a 3-leafed tulip, a 3-petaled tulip. So let's zoom back again, and I'm going to pick it pins down, and I'm going to use this Lockout Buster. I like using this because I find that I can find the tip of the pins a lot easier with this pick. And then I've got this homemade tension tool. So let's see how we get on. So I'm going to go to the back. I can feel a low pin at the back. Let's try and get that. Little click there. I've got another low pin. Another click there. I'm going to go back, probably pin 5. A bit of a click there. Go back to pin 4, which is still low. Still working at the back here. And let's go to the front, see what I got. Pin 1. Nope, let's go back to the back. Oh, camera. Oh, nice click out of pin 5. Go to pin 4. Nice click out of pin 4. I think pin 5 has gone high again. I guess these are all standard. Nothing there. Let's go to the front again. Pin 1 feels a bit stiff. A little bit of rotation there. Pin 3. And there you go. So that's the Corbin padlock picked. Thank you for watching SotonLock. Until the next time, keep well.